Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Checking out this S70, and something's going on here. I'm not sure what it is, but it's spraying something around here. Smells like coolant. Oh crap. This coolant hose right here is leaking. I think I found my coolant leak. Or caused one or the other. Yep, that's it. So the holder for this coolant hose evidently was broken off, and this coolant hose has been rubbed through and is leaking. So she needs this coolant hose replaced. Now I don't have one. Not sure if the salvage yard would. But maybe I'll swing down through there real quick, see if they got one of these hoses. And it stops. It only leaks when it gets a certain temperature. Maybe that's where this coolant's been going. Not 100% sure. But that's probably the culprit. This is not the molded fitted hose. I got this off of S70. I think it'll work. Let me see if there's a row 25. Looking for the molded fitted one. But it looks like this one will clamp on what I need. However, I will have to zip tie that thing because it doesn't have the holder that it's supposed to have on the ECU lid. Yeah, they got a row 25 down here. Let me get down here. This one appears to have the same hose I just got. However, it has seen better days. It is trapped. So let me take this hose I got, get out of here, because I need to be hitting the road. About to replace this hose, going to route it this way and go over to there. Not the hose molded for it, but it'll work for now. And if we find one, we'll replace it. These things are about 35 bucks. We're on a budget here, and we're going to do this and hopefully take care of some more stuff next week. Took a little detour from my travel to Chicago. There he is, folks. Handy Dan. We're about to replace the steering rack in this lovely GLT 98 model. It's leaking like a pig. And we got it all up, ready to drop the subframe and take the rack bolts loose. Now we are in Michigan and dealing with some rust, but every once in a while you'll see things like that. CV axle boot torn. We got some minor oil leaks here and there. Bottom of the turbo. And back plate. Drain bolt. Oil cooler lines are leaking. And maybe a little bit of that lower PCV thing. Somebody didn't secure a clamp back. Do. But we're getting these bolts out of this rack. Don't use an impact. Turn them out. Got the engine supported. And about to drop that last subframe bolt. And this rack should be ready to come out after we undo the lines back there. But this boot here is torn. And this is where all the fluid was coming out, man. A lot of fluid. I'm on the last step of the removal process. And that's to take the lines loose from the rack. The rotating nut on the line is rusted fused to the line, so it won't spin on the line to back out of the rack. They're broke loose, but I can't get them to spin, so I put some heat on them. I put some penetrant on them. I'm going to try them at 30 minutes. If that don't work, I'm going to heat and penetrate it again, let it sit overnight. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.